broadcasted. Let's start with a new scene by clicking on the plus button. This comes with an empty canvas and gets all the audio sources detected by default, such as your system audio and your microphone. Let's see how to add other sources. To add audio sources, you can choose Audio Input Capture to catch external audio with any microphone, or Audio Output Capture to add audio from your same laptop or any other audio driver. All these audio sources get listed with their volume meters, where you can adjust their volume as you need. Check our video description if you own a Mac and you are not able to include your system audio. Whereas to include visual sources, you have a lot of options. With Color Source, you can add a plain colored background. With Image, you can include any of your images. And with Image Slideshow, you can import a slideshow of images with transitions between these. You can also use Media Source to add any video file and text to include any piece of text, typing content, and setting font family, style, size, color, and opacity. Whereas use Browser to define any address link. And show any website from the list. If you don't find it, make sure that it is not minimized and retry. Whereas if you want to show the entire desktop, add a display capture source, selecting the screen to show. If you own Windows 10 and get this source completely black, check the link in our video description. If you want to record or live stream games, the game capture source is the most recommended since this is well optimized for applications going in full screen mode without using a lot of resources. This can start when any application goes full screen, or you can select the game running in the background. To add any webcam source, use the video capture device instead. With OBS Studio, you can also adjust the way these sources must be shown on the canvas. You can select any source and click and drag from it to move it, or use its nodes to resize as you need. Pay attention to striped areas. These are outside the canvas and are completely cut when you record or live stream. Also, Hold down the Alt key to crop any source. For applications, going in full screen mode must be shown on the canvas.